In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple accounts on Weavy AI. If you need to separate personal work from team projects or keep client environments distinct, the simplest and most reliable approach is to create completely separate accounts. This keeps data, notifications, and settings neatly isolated so you always know which workspace you're in. Start by signing out of your current account. Look for the profile or account menu, usually in the upper corner, and choose Sign Out. Give it a second to fully complete. If you use a single sign-on provider like Google or Microsoft, make sure you're not still signed into that provider in the same browser tab. Being signed in there can pull you back into the original account. If you notice that happening, closing the tab and reopening Weavy AI in a fresh tab or window helps ensure a clean sign out. Next, create the new account. You'll need credentials that are different from the ones tied to your existing account. You can register with a different email address and password, or you can choose a separate social login. Weavy supports email and password, as well as sign-in with providers like Google, Figma, and Microsoft. The key is that the login you pick for this new account must be unique to that account. For example, if your first account uses one Google profile, choose a different Google profile for the second account. If you go with email and password, make sure it's a distinct email address that isn't already linked to Weavy. During sign-up, follow any verification prompts you receive. This may include confirming an email link before the account is fully active. Once you're in, consider adding a clear display name or avatar that makes it obvious which account you're using. Little visual cues reduce the chance of mixing things up when switching later. From here on, you can repeat the same process whenever you need additional accounts. Sign out, then create another account using a unique email or a different Google, Figma, or Microsoft login. Keep credentials for each account organized. A password manager can help you save the correct login details under distinct labels so you don't accidentally sign into the wrong one. That's it. By cleanly signing out and registering each new account with a unique email or social login, you can maintain multiple Weavy AI accounts side by side, each with its own identity, settings, and data boundaries.